Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices for direct connection. Plug the original USB cable into the Creta's USB port and into your phone. This triggers the handshake. If your Creta supports wireless Android Auto, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the head unit and phone. Once done, accept any pop-ups on the phone that request permissions. These allow data, contacts, and audio to flow. Make sure the car is in park to enable full setup functions safely. You now handle the detailed pairing and permission flow. When the phone shows Android Auto prompts, tap Allow for contacts, messages, and media. This is why calls and navigation appear on your dash. On the Creta's screen, choose the Android Auto icon or projection option. The head unit and phone exchange apps and display data. If asked, set Android Auto as the default car app so future connections are automatic. If audio or mic access is blocked, recheck app permissions. Finish by confirming everything works. Start navigation, make a test call, and play media to ensure audio routes to the Creta speakers. If icons or voice commands don't appear, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This often resolves an interrupted handshake. Make sure both phone OS and infotainment firmware are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip. Try a different data-capable OEM cable. Worn or charge-only cables are a common silent cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.